Hey everyone, today I'm bringing you a video about scalping in Moonbot, which is in my opinion the most rewarding crypto activity. This video will be the first of the 3 videos dedicated to scalping and will be about introduction to scalping. So, for the beginning, what is scalping? Scalping is a strategy where you use really low sell price so it has a high chance of being successfully sold. Later, if you are experienced enough, you can increase the sell price for bigger profits. Let me show you some examples of scalping, where I set sell price to 0.5 from buy price. It's really low, and on volatile coin like this, it has a high chance to be sold immediately. As you can see, 2 buys and 2 immediate sells. Well, I say easy money, and you can do this for the whole day and get incredible earnings, as shown on those screenshots. They are from English Moonbot channel admin Lex. You could say that he is one of the best at scalping. Those are all very short trades possible only with Moonbot. Also, on all of those 3 screenshots are earnings from 1 day. And why is Moonbot the best platform for scalping? Because the only thing you need to do is this. First, you set the basic parameters like buy order size, buy price, and sell price. And then you just click on the chart or on the buy button and wait for your sell order to be filled. Another advantage while scalping with Moonbot is that you can do trades and see them in real time. In Moonbot you see the precise ask and bid price on an interactive chart. This means that you will see the trend changing sooner than the others, and thus you can react sooner. Not like on Binance or TradingView where the shortest candles are 1 minute long. For example, earn bigger profits while others are still trying to type in their buy price. Instead of this, just click on buy button in Moonbot and that's all. As I said, most of the scalping trades are shorter than 1 minute, and the shortest candle on Binance or TradingView is 1 minute long. So scalping there is nearly impossible. I will also show you some examples of my scalping from 23rd of June. As you see, it's simple, and if you find a volatile coin, then you can do this for the whole day. If you want more examples on scalping, then click on the link under this video. It will redirect you to a video that's all about examples of scalping. Easily finding volatile coins and some other indicators that will help you with your scalping will be shown in second video. I will show you how to set every setting in Moonbot so you are ready and safe for scalping. The third video will be about scalping techniques and examples that me and couple of other successful people use. For now, I wish you luck.